Today we're doing all things Alice in Wonderland. So I'm gonna show you guys how we do that upside down drip because it's a topsy-turvy day. Welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. I posted a poll here on my YouTube channel and a lot of you guys voted for character inspired cakes. So today we are doing Alice in Wonderland because I got the cutest Alice in Wonderland sprinkles, so of course we have to put them to use. We are going to make an Alice in Wonderland cake today, and I'm going to show you guys how we do the upside down drip on our cake, and you'll be surprised at how easy and simple it really is to achieve. Before you frost your cake, you need a cardboard round, a 6-inch and an 8-inch. My cake is a 6-inch cake today, so that's the sizes I'm using. I need one cake board that is the exact same size as the cake, and then I'm gonna tape it to the 8-inch cake board. Then all I'll do is just stack and frost my cake, just like normal. Just make sure on the bottom here you can see my cake, that the bottom is nice and frosted, nice and smooth, and you can't see that cardboard round. So use quite a bit of buttercream so you can get a nice coverage of that cake board. Now it's time to add the drip. So my cake is frosted and ready to go, and now we're just gonna add our drip, and today I'm just doing this kind of pour drip, and we're gonna kind of just use my angled spatula and just push it across, and you can see it just kind of drips all over, wherever. I kind of love this drip style, so I had to try it today. You can see I have a cake board here. We're gonna turn my cake board upside down and stick it right to this drip on top of our cake. We're just gonna stick it right on top. Yes, you can see where I'm going with this. All right, now that we have our cake board stuck right on top here, we're gonna pop it in the freezer for about 15 minutes so that our drip can set up in the freezer. Now we're gonna pull the cake out of the freezer, and you guys can see my favorite cake lifter. I've showed you guys some tutorials about this, and we are just going to, remember I told you guys to tape your 6-inch cake board to an 8-inch cake board. And now we're just gonna stick our cake lifter right in between, and it's just gonna pull the cake right off of that 8-inch board, lift it, and then we're gonna flip this cake over. Flip it right over. And there you have it. That's why we put our cake board on top of our drip, so it's an easy flip over, and now we have an upside down drip. You can see the upside down drip is pretty much fun. It's not too difficult. So now that we've flipped our cake, we have a cake round right on top. And now we're just gonna cut it off. Remember, I just use a hot knife after it's been in the freezer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then you just go right underneath, nice and slow with your knife, and it will just peel right off. And then we're just gonna get the top buttercreamed again, get those sharp edges going. We have an upside down drip, magical Alice in Wonderland cake, but we need to make it Alice in Wonderland now. And you can see in front of me, I have 4 mini cupcakes, and we're gonna frost them really quick with my 1M tip. We're gonna put some cute Alice in Wonderland sprinkles right on top. Look at the cute little Eve, and we have a little teacup. I'm just gonna decorate those cute cupcakes. Now we're gonna set those aside. And now comes the fun part. I have this cute little tea set. Now we're gonna set the teacups and the little plate right on top of my cake. And we're just gonna set one here, we'll set one there, here, and there. Now that we have our teacups on the cake, I have a little bit of buttercream. I'm gonna put it right into our teacup. And then we are going to set our mini cupcakes right inside the teacup. Thanks so much for watching as we made this fun upside down drip cake, Alice in Wonderland theme. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and let me know in the comments what else you want to see. Have an awesome day.